Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Edwin. Today we have a special guest who is Gwen. Hi Gwen. Wait
Why you do that?
matches your hair.
Wow, I'm really here to electrify you. Okay, Chef Edwin, tell us what are we cooking today?
Okay Gwen, today we're going to cook two dishes, or should I say two different types of noodle. One is the white version of the Fujian 炒虾面. The second one will be the black version of the Hokkien Mee. And the first step we're going to do is to actually cook the prawn broth, starting with a dash of sesame oil. I usually use this brand, which is the Nanyang brand.
Smells good.
Yeah, that's what my mom used to use when we were young. Let the pan heat it up, add some garlic, and then you do your prawn thing.
So I need to pour the prawn later?
Yeah, the prawn later. So let me add the garlic first.
Prawn 1, prawn 2, prawn 3.
Sorry.
It smells damn good.
Bring it to a high heat. Let it turn a bit golden brown, then you add the prawn. Wait be a bit patient. Now you can add the prawn.
Yes! Ooh.
Your prawn 1 and prawn 2. Yeah. So the amount of prawn you use can be around 6 to 7, 8, 9, 10, depending on how much you want to cook. Because the prawn broth when you cook, once it's cold, you can leave it in the fridge and use it for a few days.
Actually quite xiang.
Yep. Okay, the next thing we're going to add is the chicken broth.
Chicken broth?
I usually use what you call it? Swensen. My bad. So add around 500 to 600 ml of the chicken
How
broth.
you know it's 500 and 600 ml?
My hand is a weighing scale, you don't know me. One cup is usually 1 liter, so you go right roughly half.
Okay, understand.
You can just let it simmer. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add is the soy sauce. Let me find the soy sauce again. Just add a little bit for flavor. So just add like
1茶匙.
Yeah, 1茶匙. And then we are just going to set it to simmer. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we are going to wait for 20 minutes. When we are back, it's been 20 minutes.
Ooh, it smells very good.
Yep.
Wow! Oh.
It smells really good. So it's the xia tang, not chicken, but the prawn broth. Oh my god.
Whoa.
I'm too excited because you electrify me.
But the xia tou very nice to like
Suck,
suck
right?
off the all their, I don't know
Okay,
what.
then I leave the prawn head to you.
I don't want.
Okay, great. The next thing we're going to do is to sieve out the prawn head.
Hey, you do this, I feel like bimbo. Like, I really can do the seconds up. Wow!
Okay.
This is damn good.
Well, now we're going to stir fry the chow bee hoon and the steak mee. The first thing I'm going to add a dash of sesame oil.
1茶匙的麻油.
And then followed by a teaspoon of garlic. Okay, you just stir fry it. Let me bring down the heat for a while.
I said the mayo really smells damn good.
Yep. Next thing I'm going to do is to add the egg.
So what do you do with it?
Just chow. Add the chow bee hoon.
Wow, it smells damn good.
A handful of this.
Wow, 香香的.
And a handful of this. Okay, now you need to stir fry both the noodle.
How come my noodles stick together one?
No, because you
Can
never.
teach me?
Can, no problem. So just break up the noodle.
Break up the noodle, that's so sad. Wow, hey, what was that? How can I learn that?
Now you can try, but just don't make the food everywhere.
Oh my god, I can see the yellow noodle and the chow bee hoon
They're breaking up.
breaking up already.
Yeah, your turn.
Oh shit. I can't.
换仔。
不可以。OK 啦，我还是做这个传统的。唉，我还是在家里做饭好了。
Okay, so once everything broken up and is ready, add a cup
A cup.
or half a cup of prawn broth, depending how wet or dry you want.
So a cup is about like 250 ml, no?
Yep, around 250 ml, correct.
哇哎，进得了厨房哎。
进得了厨房。Those who are looking for a wife, she's single. Yeah, the next thing.
Anyhow.
Sorry, add some prawn. Okay, add a bit of sotong. Also, I just french it. add a dash of pepper.
Wow.
I like to put a bit more lah. Just for your info, some of you who like it a bit wetter, you can add a bit more broth. But we prefer the just nice, not too wet, not too dry. The last thing we are gonna do is to add some chive, 韭菜.
韭菜.
Okay, so let's simmer.
Okay.
Okay,
Wow.
we are ready to serve. You can add pork belly if you want, depending on your individual preference. But usually they add pork belly, but this time around I'll just make it simple so everyone can just put prawn and the squid. And here you go.
It look very messy, but then if you I just a bit of the prawn, I swear you look damn good.
The thing that everyone always wanted.
No, is it pork? Wait, it's fried pork lard, right?
Yeah, fried pork lard. And then the last thing, the lime.
Yeah, looks good. Can I dig in?
Yeah.
Now already?
Now we're going to do the tasting later after the black version of the Hokkien Mee. Look at what we have created. Our take of the Hokkien Mee.
What are we doing next?
We're going to do the black version of the Hokkien Mee.
Okay.
Let's get down to business. Same thing, we're going to add a dash of sesame oil. Just remember we're using the same prawn broth. Okay, then I'm going to add a bit of garlic, like a teaspoon of garlic. Okay, now you can do the stir fry. You're pro already. I'll leave it up to you. I'm going to add broth.
Wow.
I'm just going to add all that.
Wow.
Okay, let it simmer for a while. This is called oyster sauce.
一茶匙的蚝油吗
Add around, yeah, 一茶匙 can be.
Okay, 1.5 lah. So I stir?
Yep, just stir it. So you're gonna add is the squid, some prawn. Just add noodle, the flat noodle instead of the round noodle. The Sigmina is the flat one. You just stir it around. Just let it simmer for a while. We're gonna add the dark sauce. Depending how dark you want one. Add in your chai sing, xiao bai cai, whatever you want. So Gwen, you take over.
Okay.
I just go to add some pepper.
哇，似模似样耶。
Okay, you can just cover it with the lid and simmer it for like a minute or two.
Okay. There you go.
1 minute very long. Feeling very hungry now. Then what? Can you speed up the 1 minute? Okay,
Oh.
1 minute is up. Okay, you can smell and look at the amazing color. Okay, now we're gonna add the fish cake, those fried fish cake.
I love fish cake.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of fish cake, but I'm only a fan of fish ball. Like you watched my previous video.
So I can have all to myself.
Yeah, you can have all to yourself. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is to add some potato starch.
Edwin, what's the purpose of the starch?
The purpose of the starch is to actually make the sauce thicker. I actually added 1 teaspoon of potato starch to 1 teaspoon of water.
Okay.
And look at the color. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, we're going to dish out now.
Okay, looks damn good. Okay, to finish it off, I'll be adding in some pork lard, right?
The final touch.
Wow.
Yep. Okay, this is our version of the black Hokkien Mee. Okay, Gwen, which one we want to try first? I know you can't wait anymore.
I want to try this one first.
Okay, you take the first step.
Ooh. How about the sweetness of the prawn inside?
Yep.
And then the mayo smell is super strong. Like it's not super strong. It's like it lingers.
Fingers in your mouth.
Yeah.
Correct?
And the egg, right? Well, I think.
Because you cook one of the scrambled eggs.
Oh, sure.
Well, then I can eat this whole
I
thing.
can smell the pepper also. Got a bit the 辣辣. thing on the tongue. Is it all the pepper?
Yeah, it's the white pepper. It lingers in your mouth as well. It's not very spicy. It's just a bit of a kick at the back.
I feel like I always thought like Hokkien Mee is like always very oily, but then after I eat this, right, it's not like oily. Okay, we can go on to
Okay, you can take the last mouth and then we'll go with the next one.
Okay, can.
I'm just going to dig into the second one. We look at the noodles.
So I'm going for the veg first. Usually the veg will absorb all the fragrance of the sauce. Like I said, I'm very scared of the bee, of the taste of the noodle. Wow, what is this?
But apparently, there's no one that Mickey
Mee bee. Don't have it.
Yup.
Oh, I think the oyster sauce seems to mask it pretty well, but I can taste the oyster sauce. It's like 很香. I don't know how to taste it, but it's not too sweet though. It's like more savory.
Yup.
But the savory is not like 太咸, which I usually when people order this, I don't like it overly salty.
Yeah, this is just nice.
Wow, can you hear that?
Oh my god, the pork lard.
The crackling of the pork lard. Oh my god. After a while, it will have this lingering sweet taste. I don't know whether it's from the prawn or from the duck sauce. It's really very 香 eh.
The sweet taste is usually from the duck sauce.
Wow, I need to learn this.
You already learned both already.
Need to make sure I can do it as well as you lah.
Can lah.
So I need to smell this again.
But the texture and the noodle and the sauce, it tastes really, it blends very well.
I really like the texture because it's not too salty and the texture of the 弹性 there, and then it's really got the oyster sauce taste really
Got the oomph factor.
Like the
As you can see, just with these few simple steps, you can actually make this at home. So you don't need to really go out and go so and so and eat.
If you don't know, right, you can either ask Chef Edwin or like I can secretly tell you how to do it.
Sideline.
Yeah, sideline. So very cute, very good.
Okay, so Gwen, what do you like about this episode?
Number one is the Hokkien Mee, and lastly,
This one.
do again. Oh my god.
Okay, thank you everyone for watching, and thank you Gwen for coming down today. I hope you learned something new. And if you guys want to follow Gwen, follow on her Instagram page, and then click here for more. Click here to subscribe. Bye bye.
Oh my, oh Mickey. Oh Mickey. Testing 1, 2, 3.
And click here to subscribe.
Sorry.